ang tanong sa iyo ay may karapatan ba yung ahensya magsabi na ito confidential? Kayo lang ba ang may karapatan? Kasi I can actually answer. Tell me if you agree. You review the submissions of the agencies, correct?
Opo.
Pag may observation kayo, mag-AUM kayo, and they can say, hindi, confidential to. And then you can agree or disagree, correct?
Based on the evaluation po ng magiging response nila.
And given the difference in the notice of suspension and notice of disallowance, as pointed out by counsel earlier, na may mga tinanggal na kayo, may mga binawas kayo, di ba?
Opo.
Kasi napaliwanag nila.
Opo.
So, minsan sinasabi nila sa unang tingin mo, hindi confidential to, biglang nagpaliwanag sila, confidential yon, binawas nyo o binabawas nyo.
Opo, based po sa evaluation ng response nila. Kung na-answer na po nila yung issues raised dun sa AOM or CNS.
Na-answer or napaliwanag nila o nakumbinsi kayo na confidential ito. Therefore, hindi kailangan ng resibo o invoice.
Opo.
Tama? But
Opo.
your determination is anyway appealable, if at all, to the Supreme Court, the Commission of the Supreme Court.
Pag yung sa COA po, opo, pag may decision, may remedy pa po na umakyat sa Supreme Court.
Yes. Okay. Counsel, move on.
So in short, no, sasagot mo na yan, ibig sabihin, kayo talaga yung nagde-determine na ito, hindi dapat to confidential. Kasi nga, kagaya nung supplies, medicine, and food. Yun po yung naging basis ninyo ng ND ninyo, di ba po?
Your Honor, please, I think this was the question itself of the presiding officer.
Already
Ask and
answered,
answer.
Counsel.
Yeah, the
Already
answer is,
answered.
we want to put it on record, Your Honor. The answer. Ano
Ask
yung...
and answer, Your
Already
Honor.
answered. She agrees, Counsel.
She agrees.
She
So,
already agrees.
okay. So, they will... Okay, I'll move on, Your Honor.
Can we move on, Your Honor?
Now, Ms. Celine, who determines the safeguard to be implemented in order to secure the success of an agency's confidential operations? Part ba ho yun ng audit ninyo? Na kung ano yung mga hindi dapat dinadivulge or dinadivulge ng agency? Part ho ba ng ICFA audit yun? With regard to their confidential operations?
Your Honor, again, this is ask and answer.
No, Your Honor.
By
I
rephrasing
object,
the
Your Honor.
question, Your Honor, by rephrasing
This is
the
a
question.
different
Kindly
question.
Counsel, can
wait
I-
for counsel for the prosecutors. Yes, Attorney Kapunin.
Your Honor, these are the same questions rephrased differently, Your Honor. Ask and answer.
It is not, Your Honor. Kasi kanina,
What is
The
your-
presiding
who
officer,
determines whether...
the court will allow it. Attorney Celine, please answer.
Pwede pong pakiulit.
Okay, ulitin ko po
Sabi ko na.
Who determines? Sino ba yung nagde-determine kung ano dapat yung mga safeguards, no? Mga panuntunan na i-implement po dapat ng agency para ma-secure po yung success ng confidential operations. In short, sino dapat yung nagde-determine na itong information na to confidential, ito hindi?
Yung guidelines.
Yun po is dapat po sa agency, meron
Sa
silang sound and effective internal
Okay,
control.
so, salamat po. No, so, sa agency na yon, no? Si agency dapat. And si COA ICFAO merely audits liquidation documents relative to the confidential funds. Tama po ba?
We base po sa liquidation documents submitted at base po sa joint circular yung pag-evaluate namin per liquidation documents submitted.
Yes, okay. Thank you for that, no? So, si COA ICFAO, in that sense, you do not determine which information is confidential or not, correct? Kasi nag-base lang naman ho kayo sa liquidation documents.
We base on our audit po sa liquidation documents submitted to us. We rely po doon
Okay,
sa pag-conduct ng audit.
Salamat po. Now, si COA ICFAO po ba ay privy sa confidential operations ng agency? Kasali ho ba kayo dun sa mga confidential operations po ng OVP, for example?
We base lang po our audit dun sa liquidation documents submitted
So,
to
in
us.
short, just answer the question. Kasali ho ba kayo sa confidential operations
Answered,
ng
Your
OVP?
Honor. They base it
Wala
on
hong
the-
answer ho, Your
She
Honor.
did not answer, counsel.
She did not answer.
She
Yes
based
or
it
no?
on the documents.
Celine, just answer it. Hindi kayo kasama, di ba?
Hindi po. Base lang
Okay.
po kami sa documents.
So,
Okay.
just say that hindi kayo kasama.
Salamat po, Your Honor.